Hey, this is Steve Baumgartner. Welcome back to Baumgartner Ranch. I told you I'd give you a shot of my wine lab once I got it cleaned. It's not super cleaned, but it's cleaned. So I can give you an overview of what's going on. Well, let's start off with the stainless steel sink. This used to be a closet. I put this in because I was utilizing the sink in the kitchen, and that just caused a problem, having carboys and bottles in the sink all the time. So I put in a drain. I jackhammered the floor out down to the main drain going out to the street and hooked up the sink. Got hot and cold water. I got a filter back there, so all my wine is filtered. Doesn't have all the I guess you'd say stuff that city water has in it. So at least I got most of that stuff out, and my little supplies. Over here is a coffee center. My wife's office is behind this wall, off to the left, and mine's off to the right. So it's nice having the coffee convenient. I put in a little refrigerator for the milk and beer and cold chilled wine. My little trolley. So when I buy stuff, since I don't hire anybody, I do everything myself, including kicking the cats out all the time. So that's a little trolley I got. This is my cabinet of things that I like. I kind of keep them here because the kids aren't allowed in here. So in here I have my liquor, and a little bit, my little glasses, more glasses. Really no crystal, it's just things that I like to look at. That's all this is about. This is what I do. Clean bottles all the time. So these are bottles that I got back from other people. And what happens here is they drink them, give me back, and hopefully I fill them back up and give them to them again. That was a deal. But what happened is the people forget to take the labels off. That was part of the deal. You take the labels off, give me 30 clean ones, I'll give you another bottle of water or bottle of wine. Doesn't seem to work out that way. Here's my custom labels that I have for my bottles. These are the ones I had 12 going at one time. This is just storage now because I really don't use it. The fan is so when I'm doing bottling and I have all the metabisulfite cleaning out, it gets the vapors out because that can really get hard to handle. So I turn that on when I need it. Right there is the corker. Let me get a close-up of that. That's a corker. And down below it is a filter over here. So the metabisulfate, which I use to clean out the all the glassware, everything before wine goes in it, gets cleaned out with metabisulfate. That's just a sanitizer. The bottler, the filler. I use the heck out of this thing. I think it's almost need a new one because it's getting worn out. And down here we have the fermenters. Extra tools, extra chemicals, some books for reference, rags, more filters, and more bottle cleaners. But other than that, it's pretty simple. I mean, if you want to do just one carboy, you could do that in your kitchen in a corner, just like this little bottle, this little thing right here. It just takes up the size of a water cooler. That's all you need. And a couple little things. You don't need all the stuff that I have. I was just doing so much of it that I got a little bit bigger equipment. Here, I have some ceramics. I was using this room as a ceramics lab and a wine lab. I decided that since I couldn't afford a kiln, it cost too much, that I'm just going to get rid of all my ceramic stuff. So if anybody's interested, let me know. I am putting this up as a giveaway. However, I do hope that people put some donations in for my fundraiser that I have on Facebook. I'll put a link in. Actually, I have a link on that. Take a look. You have to come get it, so I'm not mailing it. So, Dallas, Texas. So that is my wine lab. Just took a bedroom, converted it. I'm still working on it, but it's usable. It does what I need. All right. Well, this is a picture of my grandparents, Bill and Al Fermenters. They passed away a while ago. But I keep them up in my wine room. They were good people. Miss them a lot.